Dish soap versus laundry detergent. Which household cleaner actually cuts through tough stains better? Let's put them to the ultimate test. In corner number 1, liquid dish soap, known for breaking down food grease and oils in the kitchen sink. And in corner number 2, heavy-duty liquid laundry detergent, designed specifically for deep fabric stain removal. To make this fair, we're staining 2 identical cotton swatches with grease, soy sauce, and ketchup. Nasty stuff. First, we apply dish soap directly onto swatch number 1 and rub it in lightly to target those grease molecules. Next, laundry detergent goes onto swatch number 2. Enzymes in the detergent immediately go to work on the organic stains. Now, both swatches soak in warm water for 10 minutes. Let's let the chemical reactions do their magic. Here's the science. Dish soap is packed with concentrated surfactants that lock onto grease and instantly dissolve it.
Laundry detergent uses powerful enzymes that break down proteins and starches, plus optical brighteners for fabrics.
Time's up. We're giving both fabrics a thorough rinse in clean water to wash away all the soap and dirt. Looking at the dish soap swatch, the grease stain is 100% gone. However, there's a slight tint left from the ketchup.
Now for the detergent swatch. Ketchup and soy sauce are totally vanished, but a faint shadow of oil is still visible.
Side by side, dish soap destroyed the oil and grease, while laundry detergent dominated the food and pigment stains.
Which cleaner do you use most? Let us know in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more life hack tests.
The verdict? For oily grease stains, pre-treat with dish soap. For everyday food stains on clothing, detergent is the king.